from this level moving into another level. So I'm telling you, you're all a witness. My letters are now becoming more and more along this line. This week I must have received at least 2 dozen. I had to give one today to a friend of mine to ask her to please answer this for me, because I don't have the time. And yet I hunger for the letters. But if they demand an answer, as this one did, an interpretation because they're not here, they are 1,000 miles away, well, naturally that has to be answered. But you who are here, I can answer your letters from the platform. But those would come, say, like my friend from San Francisco, I haven't answered that yet. It's been there for 10 days. But I may get to it this weekend. But I have so much to do at home with my wife that I do not have the time to answer letters. If I can answer them from the platform, it's a tremendous help. So here, I hope I have convinced you this night how wonderful you are, that you were chosen, not by some head of government. What would it matter tonight if you had the Stalin medal? And so many were given the Stalin medal and the Hitler medal. Well, you should know this. But to be chosen by the Creator of the universe. He so loved you that he became you. And his name is forever and forever. And his name is I am. And it's buried in you. That's God in you. Sleep in the feeling of being so wanted, being so chosen, being the elect. And you cannot rise feeling unwanted and feeling shunted in this world.